Today's cloud users know the benefits of cloud. No need to update software, shorter deployment cycles, less hardware, simplified scaling, lower upfront investment. But you should expect more from your cloud-managed wireless LAN. No questions asked reliability, performance, and flexibility. You should expect your cloud network to deliver a great Wi-Fi user experience. In the real world, Wi-Fi networks are inundated with a complex mix of client devices located anywhere and everywhere. The applications running on these devices depend on highly available, high-performance Wi-Fi. Enter Ruckus Cloud Wi-Fi. It's about more than just the cloud. It's all about great Wi-Fi. What does great Wi-Fi mean? It means that no matter where you are, in a crowd, in the parking garage, behind a brick wall, in a high-interference environment, the Ruckus Wi-Fi just works. How? Unlike other vendors' access points that broadcast an omnidirectional signal, regardless of device location, Ruckus does it differently. Ruckus maximizes signal coverage, throughput, and network capacity by continuously directing a signal at each client. The result? More users with more throughput per user anywhere. It doesn't stop there. Ruckus has a unique patented approach to channel management. Ruckus technology knows when a channel has become degraded, then decides which one it should switch to by assessing the available capacity in each channel. The result? Dramatic improvement in usable network capacity, meaning devices stay connected with more users per access point and fewer access points per deployment. There's more with Ruckus Cloud Wi-Fi. Contrary to other vendors, if you lose cloud connectivity or your cloud subscription lapses, your Wi-Fi still works. Your users keep getting that great Wi-Fi experience. Everyone agrees that the cloud can be great for IT, but it's not just about the cloud. It's first about delivering an exceptional Wi-Fi user experience. With Ruckus Cloud Wi-Fi, you get cloud simplicity without sacrificing Wi-Fi performance. Don't settle.